divers behind the line, starting in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, we're going down to the last 3 matches before line selections. It looks like the Red Alliance has successfully put 3 corals on the L4 level before stopping. 70-21 looks like they're trying to get another one in, almost getting it in on the blue lines. It looks like they have some coral preloaded, ready to be placed into the reef. Right? The score right now being 35 red and 2 blue. It looks like 70-21 tries to score one into the net, almost getting it, yet it still falls out. Looks like 70-21 instead actually puts another coral into the L4 level, trying to get another one on, but misses slightly. That's okay, there's still enough time to do so, right? Over here on the blue alliance, it looks like a human player has tried to score one in the net, successfully doing so. 10-87 puts an algae into the processor where the human player can score one for that Red Alliance, right? 10-64 looks like they're trying to precisely put it onto that L3 level, successfully doing so. And 2202 Beast Robotics is calculating to make sure that that coral does go on that L4 level. All right, over here on the Red Alliance, it looks like on one of the sides they do have a lot of coral on those L3 and L2. Looks like they're moving their own way over in a circular motion, trying to get those algae out. 70-21 TC Robotics looks like they are removing all of that algae and putting it into the red net for the Alliance. 930 working on that L4 section, however, moving on to that human player to get those cores is as needed, right? It looks like 10-87 is focusing a lot on that algae processing, getting a lot of those algae into that net for those extra 4 points. Right, 10-64, it looks like they're looking for that ranking point, putting that coral into that L2 section. Now on that L1, I believe they are getting that ranking point for that as well. Now moving on to the last 20 seconds of the match, these teams are going to do their final coral and algae scoring before moving on to that barge. 70-21 looks like they're trying to hang on that further left corner, as well as 50-03. All 3 robots in the Red Alliance are over there by that barge. And on the blue alliance, 2 robots are moving forward for the last 3 seconds of the match. 2 robots on the Red Alliance, and it looks like they have 2 robots parked in the blue